Yeah.
Slide. Yeah. Tammy, that's how they'll put me. That's how they'll ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Bro, just chill out here. Just watch
Let's see what it looks like going down now.
a little bit, like, even with our being 4 years apart, like, there are things like I just got to do for the first time, and like, you gotta do it too. That is like, you gotta do it like 4 years earlier than I did. Well, I mean, it's not, I can't think of anything else to do, but you know, I do remember, I'm just like, well, I mean, there are stuff like that, like, you know, Imogen will do stuff, Tammy will do it, but then like Charlotte's she'll be learning from her sisters.
Yeah.
You are going to spend the day with Daddy.
You even have a number on it. Right here.
Oh wow, you're number 16? Good, you got your princess helmet? Disney princess. Wow. Good job.
You need help with your bike, Tim Tim?
I think we're going to have a traffic jam here.
Traffic jam. That's a full of bites. How do you think that thing works? Okay, I got it.
You got it? Can't do it.
Wait, it's going back.
Go ahead. Do all kinds of things there.
I want to tell you one more flip. Oh, I can do that this.
Yeah, I can, with the GoPro, I can get some interesting action shots. Go down. You're gonna try that? Let's get some interesting action shots. Whoa, there she is.
I like doing backwards.
There she is. Good one.
Now I can't take off my helmet.
You want to take off your helmet?
Oh, you're on Vineyard.
There you
Take
go.
off my
You're
helmet.
gonna make
Okay.
your own wine? Yeah. With all that.
Wait a minute, I just want to make sure I get it right. Okay, it's off.
Oh, the Bolender wine.
I can flip.
Okay.
I can flip.
There's some peppers over here. Maybe you could make your own wine. Just joking.
There's little Charlotte with her dump truck.
There are grapes that grow in Ohio.
Put the Cheerio box back on, that little Cheez-It box.
What?
That other one down on the ground. Put that one on again. Yeah, there you go.
That's how I do it with this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Push yourself?
Ooh, whoa.
Whoa, be careful.
That was a good one.
I got it.
That was a good one.
Okay, let's do it with this.
Are you doing yoga?
Yeah.
3, 2. Yeah.
I
Putting boxes on your head?
got it.
Hard? Again?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. You're a monster?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I'm in the boat.
What are you?
I'm gonna have to ship you off. 3, yeah.
Are you riding the magical love box?
Yeah. It's flying up in the air.
Fly up in the air?
This guy.
3, 2.
I'm gonna make something with it.
Did you want me to pick you up and try to pick you up? You want me to try to pick you up?
How about with this?
That's like her favorite thing. You play soccer?
Yeah.
Your daddy plays soccer. Oh, I think I have 2 of your. I found 2 of your jerseys. Like, from Ecuador.
I used to
Maybe.
play soccer.
You like soccer?
Yeah, I used to play soccer.
Alright, girls, 5 minutes. Wow. Fall over.
Dad, what I can do.
Alright, show me what you can do.
Whoa.
Go on. Can you kick it? Good, Mo.
What's going on out here, Charlotte? Is everybody having fun?
I can try that. I can try.
Whoa.
I can try that.
Whoa.
Oh. You want to use your head? Try it? Yeah, I'll throw it. I'll be kidding. Try to use your head. Okay, hit it here. Here, like, okay. Not here, because you don't want to hurt you.
There. She's getting it.
Wow.
Whoa.
That was a good one.
Good one.
Good job. Is it okay? Are you okay?
Yeah. I hurt my nose.
I'll hit your nose. Are you okay? Wow.
How's this crazy coop? Need me to move you around, turn you around, or you have to move yourself around?
I have to move my shoes
Okay.
You want grandpa?
This is a video. You can twirl. Are you Betty Rubble? Are you Betty Rubble? Driving?
There you go. Dig. I don't know. Are you going to be a soccer player?